So on a side note, Easter's coming up next weekend. We've got a ham fest on Saturday. We got Easter on Sunday. And I found these cool prints on printables. And it's a dragon egg. And it comes apart. So we're printing a couple of these. And I figured out a little trick here too. Also, I enabled Z-Hop and changed it to 0.6 millimeters Z-Hop travel distance. And then I also went and added the infill and changed it to lines. And so since I've done that, it's been working. If we watch, we can see it kind of hop. Hold on, let me open the flap here. And it's I had tried it before and it wasn't actually working. You see, it's hopping. So it's not dragging the print nozzle anymore when it prints, which is great. And this enclosure works really good in here. And what's nice is that this Elegoo has LEDs on it, so I don't need LEDs in the enclosure. They do sell some really cool enclosures on Amazon that have LEDs. Also, if you look here carefully, this one has a vent that you can do that there with. Now, one kind of little side note is that it's hard to see, but this is starting to get holes in it, and it came that way. Where they folded it, it damaged the plastic. I don't know if it's because it's just really old. I did contact the seller and reach out to them because they actually sent me an aftercare sales message. Just asking me if I had any problems or anything, and I said yes. There's a crack in the plastic, so even if they won't do anything, I'll just tape it. I'm not really worried about it. If I really had to, I think I could probably get a sewing machine and just to sew in a shower curtain or something. But this definitely makes printing a whole lot better, especially if the temperature is fluctuating. Because it doesn't actually take long for this printer to heat up this enclosure while it's going. So I highly recommend you try one of these if you're having problems with printers, with the print lifting off the print bed and curling up. And even if you're going to print ABS or nylon or even PETG, I mean, this is like a really important thing to have. Anyway, I'm going to print these, and then my friend John just came over and picked up his Icon 7000 rails, and he seems to think there's a market for those. So hey, maybe there is. I would love to be able to print ham radio related stuff and sell it for a good price to where I can afford to do it for fun.